students, welcome to this session of our online classes. You remember in last class we were learning about nutrition in plants. So today in this class we are going to learn about nutrition in animals. So in last class we were learning about plants can prepare their own food, but animals and human beings cannot prepare their own food. But they depend on the animals or plants eating animals. So we can tell that animals and human beings are directly or indirectly dependent on the plants for the food. We also learned by telling that the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, these are the components of food and these are being utilized by the body and that is called as nutrition. Same way in this chapter also, we are going to learn about animals and animal nutrition. Here also it is same. The nutrients which is being utilized by the body, it is called as nutrition. So the taking in of food by an organism and that is being utilized by the organism is called as animal nutrition. See, we have learned about carbohydrates. The components of food which are taken into the body, it is a hard complex and it cannot be directly utilized by the body. It has to be broken down into smaller pieces. So the breaking down of complex substances, means the hard substances into the smaller substances is called as digestion. So you can tell the breaking down of hard substances into the smaller substances is called as digestion. So the way of taking of food might differ in different organisms. When we come to bees or hummingbirds, they suck the nectar from the plants. When you come to infants, what the infants are, they will feed on the mother's milk. When you come to the aquatic animals, they take down the small tiny particles which is being in the water. And when you come to snakes like python, they depend on animals for the prey. In same way, even human beings also digestion takes place. So today in this class we will learn about the digestive system. See, the process of taking in food by the human beings and that is being broken down into simple substances is called as digestion. Yes. So digestion means the breakdown of complex components of food into simple substances is called as digestion. Now when we are coming to see about digestion in human beings means we take in food through the mouth, it has been digested and it has been utilized. Later the unused parts of the food are being defecated out from the body. So you can tell the food will start from where? It will start from the mouth. The mouth it is called as the buccal cavity. Then in the last it reaches to the anus where the unused parts of the food are being removed out of the body. This canal consists of different types of compartments where the process of food takes place in all the different places. First, as I said, it starts from where? It starts from mouth. Or it is called as what? Buccal cavity. Second one, it is foot pipe. Or it is called as esophagus. Then it reaches to stomach. Then it reaches to small intestine, large intestine, with what? With rectum. And then the last is anus. So the digestion of food takes place in 5 steps. First it reaches the mouth, that is called as buccal cavity also, foot pipe or esophagus, then it comes to the stomach, then the small intestine, large intestine and the anus. Totally as the process takes. So these parts together, it is called as digestive tract or alimentary canal. So all over to this, it is called as what? Digestive tract or it is called as alimentary canal. See, I will repeat again. The food what we eat, it starts from the mouth, then it reaches to the food pipe, then the process continues in stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. So these are the compartments where the digestive system process, the digestive process is being involved. So together, everything constitutes together. It is called as digestive tract or the alimentary canal. The food what we gradually eat in the mouth, it is being pushed downwards. Along with that, there are some of the juices which is being secreted in our body. It might be in the stomach, in the liver, or in the pancreas, along with the salivary glands. So this helps the food particles to break down into simple food particles and to carry out the process in the digestive system. So the digestive canal have different compartments. So you can tell that the digestive juices and the glands which has been associated with it is called as digestion. Now let us see what happens to the food in different compartments. Now I will draw the diagram of the digestive system and I will label the parts. This is the diagram of the digestive system. I have already said alimentary canal consists of what? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus. See the diagram of the digestive system in human beings. First, mouth, that is called as what? Buccal cavity. This down is the salivary gland. So, next, food pipe, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, gallbladder, liver. First, let us learn about mouth. See, the food what we are taking in is called as ingestion. First, the food is entered with what? With the mouth. See, when we come to mouth, it is understood what teeth are present, tongues are being present. Along with that, the saliva juice is also being present. So, the food what we are taking in first enters to the mouth. So, in the mouth, the tooth is present and the tongue is being present. So, when we eat the food, our teeth helps to chew and grind the food and to swallow it. So, when you swallow it, what will happen? Next, it reaches to the food pipe. So, here in the buccal cavity, the teeth and the tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva juice which is being produced in the mouth. So each tooth will have separate socket and it has separate gums where it helps in chewing and grinding of the food. Along with the tongue is being present in the floor of the buccal cavity. You can see in the floor of the buccal cavity the tongue is being present. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ where you can tell it keeps moving in all the directions. You can see the tongue keeps on moving where it helps in chewing of the food with the saliva juice. So, tongue is being used for talking and main function is to mix the saliva to chew and swallow the food. So, even the taste buds are also being present in the mouth. Next, coming to the food pipe. The food what you are being swallowed, it reaches to the food pipe. The food pipe is being present between the neck, along with the neck and the chest. The food what you are entering is being entered to this, where the food keeps pushing downwards with the movement of this food pipe's walls, and then it reaches to the stomach. From the stomach, with the help of the juices which is being present where secretion takes place in pancreas and liver, it is being mixed where it is being absorbed and then it reaches to the small intestine and the leftover things is being accumulated in the large intestine and it is being released out of the rectum and anus. So in today's class, we have detailed studied about the buccal cavity and the food pipe. So in the next class, we will be learning how the process of digestion takes place in the various canals. So in today's class, we have learned about animal nutrition, We have learned about different various modes of animal nutrition, how digestion is taking place. We have learned about human digestive system. In that, we have learned telling that mouth and buccal cavity, food pipe, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine with rectum and anus together constitutes the alimentary canal, or it is called as digestive tract, and the juices which has been included with it, it has been associated together to call as digestive system. And these are the various processes or various steps where the food is being pushed downwards and the digestion takes place in the human beings. So today I'll give you the assignment, make a note of it. If any doubts, make a note of it. Let us clarify in the next session. Yes, today's assignment is you have to draw a neat table diagram of human digestive system. See, this is the diagram of the human digestive system. Take down the drawing. See the parts which is being labeled. Even you have to label it like this only. Then you have to write which are the parts involved in alimentary canal or digestive tract. You remember I have said here about buccal cavity, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, with rectum and anus. Those are the parts. So that is the answer for this. So make a note of all this. If any doubts, we can clear it in the next session. Thank you.